north to south, from east to west. If you raise your glass, you pass the test. Night is still young, there ain't no stress. Well, I drink to this and I drink to that. Don't know why I'm drinking, I don't mind. Just grab yourself a glass, let's have a drink. You raise your glass, let's have a little toast. Raise your glass, and let's have a little more. Raise your glass, let's fill it to the top. Let's see it bottoms up. You raise your glass. Du nord au sud, de l'est à l'ouest, tu lèves ton verre, tu passes le test. La soirée est encore jeune, il n'y a pas de stress. Je bois pour ci, je bois pour ça.
Well, hello everyone. Studio time. I'm by myself because j'aime la bière. I'm by myself because it's a unplanned episode. Tonight I'm doing a beer because I saw this one. I said, hey, you know what? I haven't done this one. We've been there. We've met with the brewer. We've tasted this, tasted that. With Etsy, or Foghorn. Now this can is alright. Anyway, it's from Foghorn. The Foghorn Brewing Company, the Bumble American Pale Ale. I haven't done this one. Ça, on va le faire à soir. Je l'ai pas fait encore, so je vais décider de faire à soir. So, my Foghorn glass. Let's pour it. Actually, like my visit to Foghorn. That was in 2020 or something like that. No, 2019, I think. And I got my uncorked tour toque. Thank you, Jill. J'ai ma chick de Uncorked Tour de Saint-Jean, Gilles Nadeau. Je pense quand on a fait notre beer trade, je suis pas mal sûr qu'on est obligé d'en faire un autre. So yeah. We say this is one of the hop forward, but not too hop forward. An American Pale Ale with a simple grain. Bill allows a perfect blend of New World hops shine with tropical fruit flavor, bright, clean, and balanced. It's a 5.5 ABV, 5.5 ABV. The taux d'alcool. It is very balanced. I like it. The hops, you really don't. You can taste it, but you get more of the hoppy citrus taste. You get more of the citrus taste. I like this one. The taste after a while, it's there, but it slightly goes away a bit quicker than I would think. Le goût. Premier goût, c'est pas trop houblonneux. Ça a plus de goût agrume. Ensuite, le goût, le aftertaste qu'ils me disent. Et là, ben, ça s'en va graduellement. C'est bon. J'aime ça. It feels a bit juicy. Ça goûte un petit peu juicy, juteux. But it's good. Let me back up. There you go. That's better. J'aime right la bière. These shirts were made at La Aleal d'Archiac in Dieppe. Look them up on Facebook and I think Instagram. And if you guys would like a t-shirt like this, I think she still has the drawing I sent her. Well, I'm pretty sure she still has the pattern. Well, more you drink it, more it's good. Plus tu le bois, meilleur que c'est, je trouve. I'm going on 3 minutes and 40. Is good.
Are you sure about that?
Yes, I'm sure about that. Very good. I like it. I'm pretty sure Martin would like this one. He likes the IPAs. He said like he likes more like a more citrusy taste. Pour moi sûr, Martin aimerait ça. Il aime les goûts un petit peu plus juteux, agrumes. Faut take a screenshot. So, in 3, 2, 1, screenshot. There you go. Martin, si tu peux t'en trouver de même, prends-le. C'est bon. Actually, il va t'envoyer un message. I use les prix, puis tu l'essayeras. It's good. I'm pretty sure he would like that. Pas mal sûr qu'il aimerait ça. Yes. So, like, big ass road trip next year. I don't think we'll be in that region. Because we're going to hit Fredericton and we're going that way. But I have something planned. For another trip to St. John. I'm not going to go into details now. But just be assured that we'll be going back to St. John. Maybe not the last time, but my last time. But for beer show and B, hopefully not the last time. But we'll see. But I'll have 1 or 2 places I want to hit there. Plus another thing I want to do big. So yeah. As I said, maybe because when we're going to go down to St. John, we might go up and stop by, say hi, how are you doing? But yeah. Quelque chose boire toute la soirée? Oui, si juteux. Ben, pas toute la soirée, not all night, but good part of it. Nice juicy. If I have, like the other day, I had craving. I would just wanted to drink IPAs, just IPA. That's it. And there was one certain one from 13 Barrels, Dog Days IPA. That's the one I was craving. Since it's here where I am, went and got some. But this one, a bit harder to find. Harder to get because there's one spot I found it here. Because I was there, I saw it, bought it. That's why it's an unplanned filming. But I like a lot. What do I give it? It's a 5.5. But the taste, can, the pour, the aftertaste, a little burp. Like I've tasted pretty big variety of American Pale Ale. But this one, the best one I've tasted is in another video, and you guys can watch it on Facebook or YouTube. Same far. But this one, sorry. This one I'd probably give it like a 8.8, 8.7, 8.7. Elle est bonne, mais il y a d'autres American Pale Ale que j'ai goûté, que j'ai donné un 10, which que, à cause de ça, à cause de ça, je bosse tout American Pale Ale sur elle-là. C'est elle de Saint Farm, microbrasserie, menaceur, brasseur, Restigouche. Okay, Martin, a tight head. But yeah, 8.7. I'll go with, yeah, 8.7, 8.7. So if you find this one, or, yeah, if you find this one, get it. Si vous voyez ça, pognez-le. Ça va à peine. It's good. So yeah, thank you for watching this unplanned episode. Merci d'avoir été. C'était épisode 17 pas cédulé. And see you guys on the next episode. Bye bye.